Oh no. Say that one again, Brad.
So that's not his real cut, that's a step cut.
That's funny. You hear that, YouTube? If you didn't hear Brad on the headset, he said, that's not his real cut, that's his step cut. That's funny now. I tell you, we're gonna have to get Brad a camera, YouTube.
Did you sweat it real good? Okay.
Oh yeah, that was real nice there. Elegantly. We're having somewhat of a success story today. Yeah, somewhat. Keyword. Maybe we'll hashtag that on YouTube. Somewhat.
Almost easy.
Yeah, almost easy. That's right. So we got pretty much this whole side of the tree done. And now we're just onto this side. So I think I'm gonna go right up here and I'm gonna set a redirect to help me down on this branch down here. I'll tie it on the tip, swing it around this way. We're probably gonna use the dirty rope this time too, so we've had enough digging them out of the pond, you know? So we've had enough. The next water I want to work by is by the ocean. I've had enough of the ponds. This is by far not the first job by a lake or a pond that we have done though. Previously on our channel, we have a job where we was out on a lake with a boat and a chainsaw, and we was climbing trees, rigging trees, cutting trees, boating, using chainsaws out in the water like Shelby the Swamp Man, the whole nine, out there getting her done. Yeah, but I tell you what, YouTube, I think I'm gonna put a link to that video in the comments. A link to the video where we're out using a boat and, you know, swamp manning it up with the chainsaw in the lake. Put a link in the comments. And I'm canceling this redirect right here because I don't see it being too beneficial. I think once I get this limb here out of the way, I'll be able to just limb walk out there on that branch just fine. Shouldn't have too much of a problem. So, yeah, that's what we're gonna do. Bye-bye to you, limb. Oh yeah, you stay out of the water, you dirty limb. Shouldn't even think about it. It's not helping the rigging situation that when these limbs swing back up onto the bank, YouTube, there's a lot of incline washing down to the bank. So when they land, they just automatically want to swoop down the hill right back into the lake. And then, I mean, our rigging line is set right on the bank too, you know, so it's creating some obstacles. These guys are doing a real good job. Real good job.
On flat ground, I would have landed that all day.
Yeah, I know, and that's the thing. They would have landed just fine, but it's that friggin' hill, man. Golly. Yeah. About done, YouTube. About done. Alrighty. Thank you. Yeah, oh yeah. Yes, sir. What you doing, Brad? Going fishing?
Yes, sir.
Ooh, got a little bit of a tanglement issue there, YouTube. Fixed that. That thing's loaded up there. All right, Gus. Now hold that tight for me. Good and tight. Pull her tight. All right, I'm gonna kind of use it to help me here, okay? Trying to get this limb balanced here so it'll swing almost elegantly over to the bank. Get that out of the way. Put that in the picture. All right, you ready? Go ahead and sweat her up, Gus. You gonna have this one? It's gonna be pretty good size. I'm gonna cut it right here beside my right leg.
I'd probably just porter wrap it.
Yeah, you better just porter wrap it. Yeah.
Think twice, just do it.
Yep, that's truth. Good call, Brad. Good call. Sometimes that porter wrap can be some frustration though if it's too light. We've experienced that. I think you've been here for that too. Yeah, stuff's too light and it just dangles there, you know. But this is probably not the case. Yes. Oak is heavy indeed. Ready, Augustus? Yeah, that was real nice there. Elegantly. We're having somewhat of a success story today. Yeah, somewhat. Keyword. Maybe we'll hashtag that on YouTube. Somewhat.
Almost easy.
Yeah, almost easy. That's right. Like a football catch. Brad's playing all the sports today. Got the second base slide for baseball. He's got the football catch. Woo-wee. Well, we are narrowing down to the end, guys. Watch it to get hung in that hackberry, okay? Very nice. Well, YouTube, I'm getting my saw filled up. We got 3 tops up there left to get down, and we're done with this project. Second to last top here. This is the one I'm tied into, and we're gonna leave my tie-in on here, right there, and we're gonna cut right here. Ready, Gus? Nice job. Oh yeah. All right, YouTube, we're at the last top here, right there. Woo! Gus, I'm gonna tie her up and we'll be ready here. All right. Needs to run though after it clears that limb, okay? Oh, you tricky little devil. Woo! Yeah. Might have had some friction somewhere. Don't lower it anymore, Gus. There you go. That was a rough ride, Gus. Didn't run on you? Well, we got 2 rings in there too. All that additional friction, you know what I mean? Yeah, I'm good. Just a rough ride. Ain't nothing different than riding a bull, you know. I'm at the rodeo every Saturday, so. Woo! Well, there you have it, YouTube. This tree is done. We're happy to be leaving the lake. We got a few chunks to take down here. The tops are all gone and that's what's left. But I tell you what, if you guys enjoyed the video, please be sure to leave it a like. Check out our channel, consider subscribing. The little notification bell, be sure to hit that. You know, you'll get notified of all of our upcoming videos, anything that we post, okay? So be sure to hit the notification bell. Subscribe. Nearly 80% of our viewers are not subscribed. So if you like the video, please subscribe. Thank you guys for watching. We'll see you on the next one. Oh. Oh no. Say that one again, Brad.
So that's not a real cut, that's a step cut.
That's funny. You hear that, YouTube? If you didn't hear Brad on the headset, he said, that's not his real cut, that's his step cut. That's funny now. I tell you, we're gonna have to get Brad a camera, YouTube. Well, there you have it, YouTube. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys on the next one.